The future, for me, I believe very strongly, comes from looking at waste. Many different solutions, but one very viable one is future from waste. The fashion industry is arguably one of the worst in terms of waste, emission and pollution. I would look in department stores and just see an enormous sea of clothes and product. And I didn't want to contribute to that. That was the basis of starting KITX, is to create a brand that empowers women through fashion design while minimising the impact on the planet's resources. The point of the Future from Waste Lab is to disrupt the status quo, because the status quo isn't working. It's to inspire change and show consumers that we can do things better. It's important to me to work with brands that have an aligned value system, like Audi, who are planning their production to become carbon neutral by 2025. We're laying down a blueprint for how brands can be part of the solution too. So although it's frightening, ultimately we can't just fear for the future. We have the opportunity to make real change, and that is what is exciting.